Mr. W and friends!
Getting dressed, one step at a time. Getting dressed, now you're looking fine. Shirt and pants and socks and shoes. Getting dressed. Pick the clothes that you will choose. Getting dressed is the best. Now we put our shirt on too. Shirt on. Arms go in and pull it through. Shirt on, let's go! Now we put our pants on too. Pants on. One leg, two legs, now they're on. Pants on, let's go! Now we put our socks on too. Socks on. Wiggle toes and pull them through. Socks on, let's go! Last one left. Shoes. Almost dressed. Now we put our shoes on too. Shoes on. Let's go! Getting dressed. We did it all today. Shirt and pants and socks and shoes. Getting dressed. Now you're ready to go. Getting dressed. We did it all today. Getting dressed. Hip, hooray! Shirt and pants and socks and shoes. Getting dressed. Now you got the dressing news. Getting dressed is the best.
Subscribe to Mr. W and friends!